All right. Okay, you guys. I just want to show you guys really quick how to do the partial product, two digit by two digit. All right. If we have our two digits, we're going to break it up into the place values, just like we've done before. So this would go over. Let me use a different color. Be 30 plus 2. Okay. So 30 plus 2. Now we have to break up the second one as well. I don't know where my red marker is, but that's okay. And that becomes 40 plus 5. Now notice that 40 plus 5 is the same as 45. 30 plus 2 is the exact same amount as 32. Okay, now we're going to have to multiply those. Remember how we took, when it was just a 5 there, we would do 5 times the 2, 5 times the 30. Okay, well, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to start with the 5 times the 30, or I'm sorry, we can start with 5 times the 2. 5 times the 2 and 5 times the 30. All right, so let's do that here. 5 times 30, 5 times 2. Okay, you can put it in any order. Multiplication is that way. All right, so it's cumulative. Now, let's do the 40. Okay, we'll do the 40 times the 2, and then the 40 times the 30. Okay, 40 times 2, 40 times 30. All right, now let's get it over here. Or you can just put an equal sign. It's up to you. All right, so remember how we did before. We can put the 0 down. 5 times 3 is 15. All right, now let's do this one. 5 times 2, you know, is 10. Really quick and easy. Now, we can take that 0 and go ahead and put it down. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. All right, there's 2 zeros here, so let's put our 2 zeros down. And notice that I'm trying to keep them lined up so that it's easy when it's at the end, when it's time for me to add them up. All right, so I have my 2 zeros. And if it helps you, you can mark things off as you go. All right, that might help. Now we have our 2 zeros. Now all is left is 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, now we can add that up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus, I would like to put those two together. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And then we have 5 more, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that is it, 14. Carry my 1, so plus a 1 up there. Now, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we got to come on down here. Get that. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we have 1 and nothing else in that thousands column. So our answer is 1, 2, 3. Put a comma on me. 1,440. Okay? So basically, I want you to remember you have to break those up into place values. And you're going to take each one of the bottom, just like we did before when it was one digit down here. So the first number is going to multiply to each on the top. The second number will multiply to each one of those on the top. That is what you see here. The 5 times both of those. See, 5 times the 30, 5 times the 2. And then we do the same thing with the 4 that's down here, which really is for 40. So 40 times the 2, 40 times the 30. Okay? And then you add them all up.